Today, we are going to learn some new words about colors and Easter. Let's get started. Today is a sunny Easter morning in the Clover Patch. Our friend, Pip the Chick, is on a very special mission. She's looking for colorful Easter eggs. Pip has her trusty red magnifying glass. Can you say red? Yes, red. Like a juicy strawberry. She's all set to follow the trail. A trail is a path of clues that leads to something special. Let's see where this trail takes Pip. Her first clue is a big, round, orange pumpkin. Orange, just like a crunchy carrot. Pip takes a closer look. She peeks under the giant pumpkin, hoping to find an egg. Is it here? No, it's not an egg, but she finds something else. Look. It's a tiny, blue feather. Wow! A blue feather. Blue, like the big, beautiful sky on a sunny day. This must be the next clue on the trail. Pip gently picks up the feather and looks around. Where will the blue feather lead her? Pip tiptoes through the tall, green grass. The grass is so green. Can you say green? Green, like the fresh grass all around her. She uses her red magnifying glass to search carefully. Wait a minute, what is that? She sees something glimmering and sparkling in the grass. It's a purple egg. What a beautiful, shiny purple egg. Purple, just like a sweet, yummy grape. Pip is so happy. One egg found Pip, but the trail isn't over yet. She wonders, what other surprises are waiting for her? Pip continues on her adventure, feeling very excited. She looks left, she looks right, and then she looks up. Look up. Way up high in a big oak tree, she spots it. There, hanging from a branch, is the biggest egg of all. It's not just one color. It has all the colors of the rainbow. A rainbow egg. Pip carefully climbs the tree, branch by branch, until she reaches the magnificent egg. What could be inside? This is the best Easter egg hunt ever. Pip gently takes the rainbow egg down from the tree. She taps it lightly. Crack it opens up. And what's inside? It's not candy. It's a map. A map to a secret garden. Just then, her friend Barnaby the Badger appears. He saw the whole thing. Barnaby looks at the map with Pip. It shows a winding path to a garden filled with even more colorful flowers and treats. Pip found a red magnifying glass, a blue feather, a purple egg, and a map, all while walking through green grass and looking past an orange pumpkin. It is a very colorful and happy Easter day. Ward, an amazing adventure with Pip. Let's remember the colors we learned. Red, like Pip's magnifying glass. Orange, like the big pumpkin. Blue, like the tiny feather. Green, like the tall grass. And purple, like the sparkly egg she found. You all did a fantastic job learning with us today. Following the trail with Pip was so much fun. I hope you had a great time on our colorful Easter journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for another adventure. Bye-bye.